Rai television and Rai Uno, Rai Due, Generali, Alancia, Rai television, radio. Where's Japanese? Haru Sushi here. I think it's operated by China. Haru Sushi. They're teaching different archaeological museum. Ministry of Culture. The church. My little beauties. It's beautiful to walk when there's nobody here. Absolutely joyful. Whilst all the tic-tacs turn up. Duomo Museum is here. If you want to come. Torre Velasca. It's amazing, right? Beautiful architecture, folks. Look at this. Public space is a mess. As long as there's a McDonald's in front of it, it'll be a mess, for real. But I had McDonald's yesterday. That's not bad. When I could not find Italian food, I stuck to the real thing. Councillor of Monaco. Templo di Vittoria.
La gente che partiva.
You're hungry, folks, today?